Nebulas. Cosmic nurseries. Illuminating the depths of space with their ethereal beauty and profound significance. The Orion Nebula, a stellar nursery, is a giant cloud of gas and dust where new stars are born. Its vibrant colors, primarily from hydrogen gas glowing pink, create a celestial masterpiece. The Crab Nebula, a supernova remnant, is the aftermath of a stellar explosion. Its wisps and filaments extend into space, emitting powerful radiation and painting the sky with a complex web of colors. The Helix Nebula, a planetary nebula, marks the end of a star's life. As a star similar to our Sun expels its outer layers, it creates a glowing shell of gas, resembling a cosmic eye gazing back at us. These structures are active regions of star formation, sculpted by the intense radiation from nearby young stars. The Carina Nebula, home to some of the Milky Way's most massive stars, showcases dramatic star-forming regions. Its vast star fields and intricate patterns tell the story of stellar evolution on a grand scale. Nebulas, diverse and awe-inspiring, are the key to understanding the life cycles of stars. They remind us of the universe's dynamic nature, where endings give birth to new beginnings, and every speck of dust holds the promise of future worlds. Nebulas, the endless dance of creation and destruction, written in the stars.